Hi guys, welcome back again to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make you up a nice, strong and healthy juice. I'm going to be blending carrots and Irish mash together. So if you want to see how me blend up this carrot and Irish mash drink, you have to come on and stay tuned. See you back. Guys, I already have the Irish mash that was made up in a prior video. I'm going to put the link down below so you could click on that and see how I made the Irish mash, alright? But in here I have 2 cups of Irish mash. I also have a video how I made carrot juice, and I also have that link. I'm going to put that so you see how I made my carrot juice. This juice is so simple, guys, so simple. All you're going to need is vanilla. You're going to need cinnamon powder, you're going to need nutmeg, and you're going to need sweetened condensed milk. Okay? You could add honey. If you want to add honey, you could add honey to this juice. You could use sugar. But it is super nice. Alright? All I'm going to do is pour out the carrot juice into my blender. And then I'm going to put the Irish mash in there, and that's 2 cups of Irish mash. Then I'm going to add my vanilla. I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, so now I put my sweetened condensed milk. Guys, you could always put any amount of sweetener that you want to put. If you even want to go and add a little bit of milk with a little bit of sugar, it's fine. You just do it however you want to do it for flavor. I'm just going to add about a half a can in here of sweetened condensed milk. And I'm putting my lid on, and all you got to do is blend away. Jamaican carrot juice and Irish mash in my kitchen. Healthy good juice for you. For the boyfriend, for the hubby, for the fiance, for the getting to know you better. You made that for him, you best believe he ain't going nowhere. Okay guys, so that's it right there. Hope you like it. And give this video a thumbs up. And as always, from my kitchen to yours, enjoy! I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.